Hey, what's up guys? Tony from Tucker Speed here again. Wanted to talk to you about another one of our favorite products, the Rekluse manual slave cylinder. This is a product that we've tested a ton in the shop. We've installed it on a lot of bikes and actually been running this on our BRL race bike for the last 2 years. So we've really put it through the test there and it's held up and we're super satisfied with it. So currently this product is available for all M8s and also twin cams with hydraulic clutch installed already. So this is basically an OEM replacement part, but it's an upgrade. With the M8 platform, you're going to get a 30% reduction in clutch lever pull. Twin cam, you're going to get 20% reduction. So that's a benefit. And the other thing is they have some stuff designed into it that gives you a little bit better feedback in the lever, which makes a huge difference. Like on takeoff, you can really feel what's going on in the clutch. You know, and that's one of my complaints with hydraulic clutches is that, you know, sometimes you lose the feel that you have with a cable, and I feel like this kind of gives you some of that feedback back. So, you know, it's great. So what you're going to get when you order one of these up, basically you're going to get the slave cylinder, a hose to help bleed it after installation, and an installation manual. It's pretty quick and easy to do. You'll probably have to remove the exhaust or at least loosen it and get it out of the way to install it. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward install, a great upgrade. It does work with stock clutches and all aftermarket clutches, whether it's Rekluse or any other brand of clutch setup. It doesn't really matter there. So works great. Jump on the website and grab one.